Ako si Kuya George, ahenteng lupa't bahay sa gitnang Luzon, Pampanga ang aking taglay. Tumutulong sa pamilya, lokal man o dayuhan, sa ibang bansa'y nangarap, ngayon'y umuwi lamang. Ang inyong kaibigan sa paghanap ng tirahan, payo ko'y handog para sa tamang landas ng buhay. Ngunit minsan di handa, kaya't oras ang nasayang. Samahan mo ako sa tamang bahay para sa pamilya'y payapang buhay.
Guys, ito po yung kinuha ng ating client OFW sa Singapore, Miana Duplex. Alright, let's go! Okay guys, so nandito tayo sa harap ng ating Miana Duplex. Modern Asian yung design niya. So makita nyo, mga windows is fairly open wide. And 4 panel. Nakikita nyo rin dito yung kanyang from floor to ceiling to second floor, no? So this is 80 square meter lot area. So you have 2 carports. So kung may mga mahaba po kayong sasakyan, pwede po dito. So as you can see here, so we have lanai area. Ayan. And ito po yung setback natin is nasa 2 meters wide po ito. Right? Na pwede nyong gamitin extension ng kitchen or nasa sa inyo na po. Yung floor to ceiling natin is nasa 3.2 meters. Yan po yung kagandahan dito. Meron siyang space for garden, ano? And as you can see, meron tayong mga yan. Nilagay po nila dyan. Hafele brand. At gusto ko dito yung porch nila. Enter po guys. Ayan. Dito sa ating living area and dining area. So dito ilalagay nyo po yung TV. So pwede po ninyong i-design to. This is not included, yung mga furniture. Pero yung tiles 60 by 60 is kasama na po siya. And then we have the kitchen here. Hindi po kasama itong nasa taas, ano? Ito po yung base cabinet po yung kasama natin dyan. And this is the view, no? Overlooking po yung lanai area. And we have the powder room. Okay? So kung gusto niyo siyang lagyan or papalakihin, so we have an extension here na pwede niyo pa siyang ipalakihin, ano? Or you can put your CR or toilet and bath over there. As mamaya papakita ko rin yung expansion. Yan, that's concrete. And yung railing niya, yan, bakal po yan. Kung makikita po ninyo dito, kung dito kayo sa side ninyong bahay, yan, napaka aliwalas. Yan, kagaya sa sinabi ko kanina sa inyo, this is 3.2 meters yung taas. Ganun po siya. And then we have also a yan, ito wood plank, and this one is a concrete. So nakalapat yan, kaya pag akyat mo, hindi mo masyadong ma-feel yung tarik, no? Kahit na high ceiling siya, pero nagawan pa rin siya ng paraan para hindi masyadong matarik. Okay? So we have a view over here. So napaka energy saving po nito. You don't need to open your light. Ito naman yung hallway natin sa mga rooms. So we have 3 bedroom over here. Okay, so bedroom number 1. Makikita po ninyo dito, single bed po. Yung kasya natin dito. And this is not included. This is IKEA brand kasi meron po silang tie-up. So if you want to furnish your house, upon turnover, we can do that. Ayan. So that is bedroom number 1. And now we're entering the bedroom number 2, which is meron siyang dalawang bintana. And meron na rin dito nakaaba na yung mga 0.5 na aircon. Right? Okay. Now dito, before natin pasukin yung master bedroom, let's move here to bathroom. Ang kagandahan po dito guys, yan, makapalyo, tsaka ito po ay non-skid tiles, floor to ceiling. So maglalagay din sila dito ng outlet para po sa heater po ninyo. Kasama po yan. Ito po is branded Ativa brands, SCG. Now, we're moving into the master bedroom. The master bedroom is a full-size bed. Kita nyo naman po, meron pa pwedeng lagyan ng bedside table. And the cabinet. So again, cabinet is not included, but you want that, you can avail that on IKEA, which is deliverable po dito. Madi-deliver po siya at ma-assemble din po siya dito. Right? So they are partnering with IKEA na. Ito naman po yung ating balcony. Dito sa balcony natin, makikita po natin dito yung view ng ating garden. Yan, as you can see, malaki pa po yung space ng garden natin. Now, puntahan naman natin yung pwede nyo pong ipa-improve. Alright guys, so upon entering, makikita po ninyo yung kaibahan ng expansion doon sa basic natin. Ayan. So the living area, same pa rin. But here, kung makikita nyo kanina, dito dati yung kitchen, right? Now, nagkaroon siya ng expansion dito. Push back. So here, the 2 meters is maximized na natin. So nilagyan siya ng counter tops dito. Then may nilagay dito na hanging cabinet. And this is your refrigerator. Okay. So it's cute, di ba? Now, this is the big deal na rin, no? Ito. So when we're syempre young, we can go upstairs pa dun sa master bedroom natin. But later in our life, kailangan din natin ito, which is the bed and the first floor, no? Kasi syempre medyo mahirap na tayong mag akyat-akyat, di ba? So as you can see, the bed here, so parang hotel type na rin siya na pag-arrange, no? Kasi ito, the bedside table are both installed, so not a problem. And then here, as you can see, meron siyang cabinet na nilagay dito. So now, nasa roughly 1 million to 1.2 million yung expanded nito, no? So, ayan. So this is a toilet na pwede pa po itong palakihin. Nasa sa inyo po kung ano po yung diskarte po ninyo. And here, nakikita po ninyo dito na okay, ano siya? May enjoy nyo na yung space. Now, okay, so same with basic. Meron din pa tayo niyan. And, ayan siya. This is the room. No? So, total, 4 na yung bedroom niya. So, I think, if you have now, or you have now the idea kung itong single bed, kung itsura niya, ito na po siya pag mayroon na siyang bedroom. Alright? Now, here, so, as you can see, so we have another expansion over there. Pwede mo pa siyang i-push back. Depende na rin po sa inyo yon. Okay, now the bathroom or toilet and bath. So, important thing is meron toilet and bath sa second floor dahil you don't want to, di ba, pagising mo or gumising ka sa middle of the night and bababa ka pa para mag-CR. So, it's good thing na meron na tayo dito sa second floor. And this one is the master bedroom. As you can see, meron pa siyang space dito. Both side. You can put your bedside table. And the really nice viewing dito sa balcony natin. So this is the balcony. Alright. Okay. See? Okay, now na nakita nyo na yung ating model house and the reason why they really avail this Miana duplex is because of, yeah, you have the room for expansions, you can have the nice space, hindi lang siya sa loob ng bahay, but you can have your garden pa outside. Aside dito sa bahay, gusto ko lang po i-emphasize the reason why my client bought this area is the community na magiging kapag ito ay makomplete, and also the accessibility na rin. I hope that I have given you idea kung ano itong si Miana Duplex and bakit siya bestseller dito sa Hamana Homes, and I want you to visit this. Contact me for information regarding how you can avail this property on financing. So ang maganda kasi dito is flexible pa yung payment term niya, and if you are working abroad or kahit locally lang, maganda na po ngayon kumuha ng property, lalong-lalo na near Clark, because now there are a lot of establishment going on here, moving here dito sa Central Luzon. So the price are grabe yung pagtaas ng mga price. So I'm not bragging this price na kailangan nyo kumuha, but you need to take action na if ever, kung kaya nyo, so subukan nyo. And when it comes to property naman, there's no wrong decision naman dyan. It's just that you're willing to sacrifice sometimes yung yung expenditure natin, and iwas muna tayo sa mga lakwatsa, ganyan no. Prioritize natin na magkaroon tayo talaga ng bahay muna, right? And syempre, kung may mangungutang dyan sa inyo, sabi nyo na pasensya na brada, nauna kasi yung nabayad ko na kasi sa bahay. So something you need to prioritize. I hope I've given you an idea. Again, my number is 0920-153-8449. Again, my name is Kuya George from Makatangay Realty. Dream home you deserve, people you trust. See you and God bless.